Hi guys, I'm Luke Mangan, and from my kitchen to yours, we're heading to Mexico. I'm gonna make you the best chicken quesadilla with the famous Mangan guacamole. So, in a pan I've got 2 breasts of chicken, well seasoned with salt and pepper, a good splash of olive oil. This will go into a hot oven, 180 degrees for about 20 minutes. Okay, we're gonna make this amazing guacamole. Now the best way I like to mash an avocado is just with a potato masher. Half a red onion, we're gonna add some chopped chili. Okay, so now we add the fresh lime juice. Next step, some sour cream. 1, 2, 3. Coriander, a ground cumin seeds, a good tablespoon of the ground coriander seeds as well. 3 cloves of garlic in, salt and pepper to taste, and to give it a bit more of a kick, I like to add just a bit of Tabasco, just a few drops. And then we just mix it all up. And there you have it, the famous Mangan guacamole. So, chicken's come out of the oven, I've let it cool, and now I'm just gonna add 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard. I'm going to add a good pinch of desiccated coconut, a splash of olive oil, and what I do now, get a couple of forks, and I just sort of shred all that. And I'm adding about a half a bunch of finely chopped spring onions, 2 cups of grated cheddar cheese, and I am gonna add some chopped coriander. And there you have it, that mix is perfect. So, low, medium heat, just a splash of olive oil, and put that little quesadilla sheet in there. And then what I do is just fill this up, a beautiful chicken mix. And now I'm just tearing up a little bits of mozzarella cheese. We put the other lid on top, press it down, just for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Flip this over. Oh, look at that, absolutely perfect. All right, so that's been on now 2 to 3 minutes on each side. And cut it in quarters. A little look in here. Oh, look at that cheese. We get a bit of this famous Mangan guacamole. Now I like a lot of it. And there you have it, the perfect chicken quesadilla with the world famous Mangan guacamole.